Hello, everybody. Hi, I'm Astha Gatia, your happiness coach. And in this series of tete a tete with movers and shakers, today on day 5, I have with me a very, very dynamic leader. He needs no introduction. I think almost all of us know him. And what is even more beautiful is the way that he has grown into who he is today. Rather, I would say he has evolved into who he is today, the leader that he is today. Uh, yes, I am talking about Mr. Ajay Datta. He's with us. A very, very warm welcome, sir. Such a pleasure to have you.
Thank you very much, Astha, to inviting me.
So thank you so much for sparing time, taking time out, and being with us for the viewers, for all the listeners who are there. Uh, you know, this is a man who started his journey in 1990 when he came to Jaipur, and he belongs to a village from Alwar, which is called Kirtal, if I'm not wrong, if that's what it is. And from there, I think it's like no looking back. He has grown into, I would say, in true sense, a titan. He's the managing director of Data Group of Industry, and there is lots in store that we can extract from his experience, his evolution, and that is exactly what I'm going to do today. So without wasting much time, I know you all want to hear him. So once again, welcome. And my very, very first question, what was the whole thought process of, just starting? And I think 99, you were the one who brought the first internet service to Rajasthan. So where all of us are jumping today around, so he was the man who brought internet to Rajasthan. Now, isn't that phenomenal? So yes, over to you.
Thank you, Astha. Thank you, everyone, for joining and listening here. I think the idea is, for me, it is about living the life as it comes to you and not giving up. I have seen my father living that kind of life. I have been a village product, as you know. So गांव में क्या होता है कि you do all kind of stuff. You are, so what is the sports? There is no stadium, there is no mall, there is no playground, there is no sports complex, there is no PVRs, there is no restaurant or a hotel. So how do you play? You go and play where there the dust is, the open platform are. So टीले पे चढ़ जाना है, पहाड़ पे चढ़ना है, धूल में दौड़ना है. जहां पर the playground was the animal hut, where the mandi was. So दिन भर उस पे animals हैं, बैलगाड़ियां आती हैं, ऊंट गाड़ियां आती हैं, कार्ट्स हैं, दिन भर वो चल रहा है. वहीं पे ही वो उनका जो dirt है वो वहां पर पड़ा रहेगा. And the evening you are going to play on that ground. That is how we started our life. So do you start accepting and naturally in your life that there is this is where if you get better than that, you are always upgrading yourself, right? So we have seen that part of living. Government school में पढ़ने जाना है. I studied in a kikar ka tree. My classes used to be in the paid. So when you are studying, not having a building, you have a privilege. So ऐसा नहीं है building नहीं थी, building थी, but number of classes are more. So only one class at a time could go in the room, and then by the other classes are happening in the tree. So the idea is that you are accepting that kind of education. Then you are taking बोरी घर से लेके जा रहे हैं, आपका मुल्तानी लेकर के जा रहे हैं, आप अपनी सफाई कर रहे हैं. Although there is no space to sit, तो आप बोरी लेके जा रहे हैं, उसी पे बैठ रहे हैं, उसी पे पढ़ रहे हैं, आप घर लेकर के आ रहे हैं आपकी. You imagine this kind of education we go through at that time. So when I see that journey, so एक चीज इसने सिखाया, अब कुछ भी करने में शर्म नहीं आती है, कुछ भी करने में छोटा नहीं लगता, कुछ भी करना पड़े, कहीं पे भी बैठना पड़े, कोई भी काम करना पड़े. So even today when my team is working in the night, I will go for them and make tea, or go to a station and buy the tea for them if the milk is not there, or drop them at home, or take a lift for myself to sit on his motorcycle and get dropped at home. So there are no hiccups which naturally comes. So you learn that from the upbringing which is given by our parents and the atmosphere which is there. So I think my entire credit goes to that upbringing which happened there. The most difficult times from the comparison of today's time, you can see, that was most comfortable time at that time. But if you compare it with today, you will see that you don't love your children. If you send the children to school, अपनी बोरी लेके जा रहा है, धूप में पेड़ के नीचे पड़ रहा है, पैदल जा रहा है, पैदल आ रहा है, पानी का नहीं पता है, बर्मे में उसको पानी भर के पीना है, गर्म नहीं पीना है वहां पर. द हैंड पंप, बर्मा मतलब द हैंड पंप, हम बर्मा बोलते हैं उसको. बेसिकली you see that kind of life. आज आप किसी को पेरेंट को सोचो या बच्चे को बताओ, so he will not even believe that this kind of life is possible, right? You go through that aspect very naturally every day. आपको रोज उठ करके जाना है, अपने खुद ही प्रेस करने हैं. There are no servants, so there are no maids, there are no help, so you are supposed to do everything. ऐसा नहीं है हमारे घर पे थे नहीं, घर पे थे, but the children are mostly likely to do everything themselves, supported by the parents, supported by the staff also, but mostly you are expected to do everything. So I think the atmosphere have changed. अब आज के टाइम में everything is cooked, ready, served on the table, served on the platter, and lot of things have changed. So I
बच्चों को जिस तरह से आज पैम्पर किया जाता है, I think मेरे पापा बताते हैं, तो वो जो वक्त था और अभी जो है, आई थिंक बच्चों को हम हथेली पर रखते हैं, हर फैसिलिटी, हर प्रिविलेज उनको देना चाहते हैं. और आपने सही कहा. एंड लेकिन जब आप ये सब इस सब से गुजर रहे थे, पेड़ के नीचे पढ़ते थे, अपना हर काम खुद करते थे, और वो अपब्रिंगिंग आपको मिली जिसने आपको आई थिंक बहुत मजबूत बनाया और कहीं ना कहीं सेल्फ डिपेंडेंट, doing everything on your own, and as a result there were no hiccups, no hitches in doing anything, and that is basically working greatly for you even today.
Yeah, absolutely.
उस वक्त थॉट क्या था? क्या उस वक्त ये था कि मुझे ऐसे क्या बनना है या आगे के लिए विजन है, कुछ कोई ऐसा थॉट था उस वक्त?
Astha, my entire credit goes to the thought process to my mom, to my mother. She is not very literate lady. She is, but she always wanted us to become a good human being and do something which they will be always proud of. Always do these two statements. Do something which does not push us down. Do whatever you like. And always remain a good human being. People are appreciative of. It is not about money. It is not about fame. It is not about name. It is not about becoming a top entrepreneur of the country, of the world, or becoming the innovator of the world. It is not. It doesn't give that happiness to parents. Parents gets happiness when you are able to make a difference in people's life and people tell them, wow, your son has done this. That's what gives them happiness more. So I think my mother had been very forward looking for us कि हम खैरथल से बाहर कैसे निकलें and हम sports में कैसे करें. So I learned typing. So I was the so you can imagine that I was learning typing in Khairthal, and that helps me a lot today because I can type my letters and my emails much faster than anybody in the company even today, because I type with both the hands and I know the professional typing, how it is being typed. It helped. You learned a lot of things. I learned English after coming to college, by the way. So there was only a subject like Sanskrit, for example. You don't know what is Sanskrit right now. So we all studied Sanskrit as a subject, as one of the subject, and everybody used to clear that exam. किसको पास करना है किसी तरीके से. English was also one of them for me at that time. So I never used to speak in English, never used to read in English, never used to hear any lecture in English. So, and by the way, when I came to college, in Commerce College, and with the help of somebody, he filled my English medium admission. And I got the admission in Commerce College. And all the classes were going from the top. Because I never heard a lecture in English before. And the first time I was witnessing a lecture in English completely. So it was difficult. I called my mom. So I joined 3 English speaking classes in a day. सुबह 5 बजे एक इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग क्लास थी, 5 से 6, 6 से 7 आज क्या क्लास में पढ़ाया जाना है वो मेरे को पढ़ाते थे. शाम को एक क्लास अटेंड की, क्या पढ़ाया वो समझ के आता था उनसे. So I did this 6 months English speaking classes, 3 continuously in a day. So my day was from 5 a.m. to 8 p.m. every day here.
Wow.
Was tough, and it was all buses which I used to use. There was no bike, there was no motorcycle. Parents told that you first learn what is in Jaipur. It's a big city from Khartal. So you see what city is, go through the buses, understand, then we buy the motorcycle. So after a year, I got the first motorcycle in Jaipur. But idea is that this journey had been, so idea is I had no problem to learn English in a college. And I see this everything. We came from a non-IT background, edible oil family business. I had no problem to go to a person and learn something which may be probably much below the age I should have learned. You know, so you are learning you are learning with the children. So there are children who are coming, and there is me, who is 20-year-old, 22-year-old and learning that English. And there are 14, 13-year-old children who are learning English. So this was a kind of shock when you enter into the class, and everybody call you uncle, bhaiya, again, and, and this kind of stuff. But I never looked at down to myself. I was supposed to learn, and I did learn.
Great. So after that, how did you really think of getting internet to Rajasthan? What really transpired after your college?
It's a story. So I was looking after Jaipur Glass and Potteries, if you have heard that name at Tonk Road. So China के कप प्लेट बनते हैं उसमें, वो बनाया करते थे. That's why my first family business I was involved in with my uncle. So insulators and crockeries, this was my business. And I was doing it since 1992 till 1999. I was doing that along with my education. So this was both way going on. While I did my MBA and PhD, I was doing business also at that time. And this internet was, I started hearing, because I did my MBA in computer applications, PhD in electronic data processing. So I was a little bit in touch with this world. A little bit of technology around. So I used to hear, and it was an American university, so I knew about internet a little bit. I heard about it, and I saw a newspaper ad of Satyam. Atal Bihari Vajpayee ji ने उसका inaugurate किया था September 1998 में, and there was an ad in newspapers in locally that if you want to become a partner, you can start an ISP here of Satyam. I was very fascinated towards that already, and I applied for it. I was single, unmarried, 1998. So I was 25-year-old at that time, and I thought that let me do something. It will be interesting. So आपने apply किया. Only single agenda that I will get an intern for myself और दोस्तों को भी दे देंगे. That's all. 25 लाख रुपए मांग रहे थे वो, और 200 स्क्वायर फीट एयर कंडीशन एरिया मांग रहे थे. I still remember that. That's all they were looking for. I had both of them. We applied. They even selected me as a partner, but the agreement was given to me of a distributor. So that is where it fizzled out. So I was not ready to become a distributor and get guided by somebody. I wanted to lead the way I wanted to, and that fizzled out. And I heard some sentences that ये तेलियों का धंधा नहीं है. This is a technology business. That blew me away. And that is where I took it head on that we will start the internet services here. And that's how the internet services started in Rajasthan. Fortunately, we exist.
Wow, interesting. So that was the first start, and then what kept you going? What was the the thought process which started with your mother forwarding you, with the typewriting and all of those things, and then you being I would say a constant learner. I think what I hear out very loud is जहाँ जो मौका मिला आपने सीखा उसे, बिना ये सोचे कि कौन है सामने, मेरे साथ कौन है, पास कौन है, और उसके बाद आप चलते चले गए. ये जो सफर था from bringing on internet to Rajasthan, which was the start, to today Tata Group of Industries and you being known across. बहुत सारे ऐसे पड़ाव आए होंगे जब आपको लगा होगा आसान नहीं है, maybe I can छोड़ देते हैं, let's just leave this, or difficult times, challenging times, how did you deal with it? What are those certain aspects which kept you going strong?
See, Astha, बहुत simple है, I think, in everybody's life. I may be repeating with many people must have said that before. I always focused on the goal and enjoyed the journey. A lot of people start focusing on journey more than the goal. So, for example, you want to do a PhD or you want to learn maths, right? तो
Yeah.
फिर लोग इसमें लग जाते हैं कि मेरे को मैथ्स किससे सीखना है. I don't care much. I want to attain that goal of learning maths in the best possible way. The journey happens. So and I always believe in Ratan Tataji's philosophy. I have read it many times and repeated myself many times. You never take a right decision. You take a decision and make it right. Right? This philosophy is very important to understand. So taking a right decision is not in your hand. Making it right is in your hand.
Wow. Yeah.
और MBA करना है तो MBA करना है. You need not to worry about कि अब मेरे को वही यूनिवर्सिटी मिलेगी तो ही मैं MBA करूंगा या ये कॉलेज मिलेगा तो ही मैं MBA करूंगा. It is not the question. You wanted to learn. That was the goal. Degree was not the goal for me. I wanted to learn the traits of how to manage the business. That is the MBA. Degree is a byproduct for me, always. So for me, it was possible because I was becoming an entrepreneur, right? I was not applying for a job. So I could very easily get into that shoes of thinking and move in that direction. Intern चालू किया, MBA किया, PhD किया, post diploma किया in computer science, system analysis and design किया. I studied a lot while people were doing something else. While my friends were doing something else, I was more busy in learning new things. I even did fashion designing diploma during I had some time. So you can imagine I had a JD Institute of Fashion Technology. There was a time when there were more than so I was the alone boy in that class. 28 girls and I was alone, but I never feel harassed or feel alone there, right? I was learning and I was chosen to be a captain of that election, and the captain is to be chosen of that class. And then my dress was selected and went to the G खूबसूरत program आया करता था. If you have heard that before, G पे खूबसूरत live program आया करता था. उसमें I groomed Milan Suman and Namrata Shirodkar as my models at that time. So my idea, I'm trying to say, is that whenever I have tried to do something, I have not looked back. Who is my company? Who is not my company? My goal was to achieve that path, to attain a diploma, get it there, learn the traits of the business, and move in that direction. I have not worried about too much over journey. Just like we go to office every day, right? All of us, even the listeners, go to school and college every day. The goal is to go college, not about the road. You worry about red light मिलेगी, पत्थर मिलेंगे, बारिश मिलेगी, तूफान आएगा, या पंचर होगा, क्या होगा. We don't care about. We know how to deal with them. So the trust and confidence should be there to deal with that journey. लग जाता है आपका, then you miss the goal. The key is to keep focusing on the goal all the time. Keep an eye on that. वो कहते हैं अर्जुन की तरह आंख पे जो है निशाना जरूर रहना चाहिए, हमेशा फोकस वहां पे रहना चाहिए.
Okay, very interesting. Right. तो जब फोकस पूरा गोल पर था और जर्नी में आप चलते जा रहे थे, तो कई बार ऐसा लगा कि ये गोल अचीव होगा या नहीं होगा, या आपके लिए क्लियर था कि कुछ भी करके अचीव तो करना ही है?
So I would not lie to you. A lot of time you get disappointed. A lot of wrong decisions happen. A lot of failures you go through. But the support system of the family and friends around you will always keep you going. So if you are fighting this alone, it is not worth it, whatever it is. If you are doing it with the support of the family, your parents, your friends, your well-wishers around you, they will not let you go back. They will support you. They will give you the place what is required for you. And that's the most important thing to achieve the highest goals. If you do not have support of when you go back home, and if you do not have a support, it will be very difficult to go back office tomorrow. It is very, very difficult because you will not have day all the time. You will have the dark times. The day will come back again, but how do you cross the dark is something which is very, very important. So I think it is very, very important to have that support all the time and be in a good relationship around us with the teams you have, with the members you have, with the friends you have, of course, with the family, your children, wife, parent, brother, sister, everybody is extremely critical and important around us, whomever you are with. So this thought process I learned from my father, who always see 15-20 साल से लोग काम कर रहे हैं, वो लोग छोड़ते ही नहीं है पापा को, वहां पर लोगों को बुलाते रहते हैं, नौकरियां नहीं छोड़ते हैं. This has exactly happened with me because when I started Data Infosys as a company and first internet, the people who joined me in that year are still working with me today.
Oh. Wow.
So a lot of people work for last 10 years, 15 years, 7 years. So we work like a team. It is not an employee-employer relationship. As I told you that we have to work together. We have to fight that together. We have to win it together. That's very important. And then move further. Darkness तो आती है, हमेशा ही आती है. You always have the दिन में रोजाना रात तो आती है, दिन भी आएगा. रात क्रॉस करना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होता है जब when you are in dark.
True. तो as a leader, जब आपने शुरुआत की थी उस वक्त से और आज जब आप अपने आप को देखते हैं, what are certain traits which you feel you've developed over this journey as you were going through this journey? Maybe the way you used to deal with things, you used to respond to things. How has that changed over time? The way you used to deal with people, your team, has it always been the same? How has it evolved?
I think there is a natural evolvement happens in everybody's life. You are no more a class 10 girl, and evolvement happens. And every interview which you take, you learn a lot in yourself. And I learned the kind of questions you asked. I relook at my mind and see that how I have lived that life. Thank you for bringing me that memories back in my mind. Idea is to fight that and take that challenge with a very conscious mind around. और वो consciousness आपको तब आती है when the support system is with you and you are able to think it through. तो आपको gut feel अपने आप आएगा कि ये मुझे कर लेना है. Then rest everything is your hard work. I always say the more harder you work, the more luckier you get. It is like that. You do not get luckier by sitting at home. You do not. Nobody does. So it is very, very important to do the hard work at the right time, at the right place, with the right values, with the right virtues. It is extremely important to follow that. I believe in a lot of law of karma. I believe in a lot of right virtues. Why you should touch your parents' feet, why you should respect elders, why you should respect your elder people around you, why you should love your children, why you should not cheat, why you should take care of your professional well. When you go home, then how do you give your time to the family? When you go office, then अपन देखते हैं ना ऑफिस में भी जाकर के लोग बॉयफ्रेंड के साथ लगे रहते हैं, यंग लड़के गर्लफ्रेंड के साथ लगे रहेंगे, पेरेंट्स के साथ लगे रहेंगे, कुछ ना कुछ काम करते रहेंगे. I always tell them, companies को do not suffer, companies do not worry too much about it, but think about yourself. What are you doing to your life? Because when you join that company, you almost sold your 8 hours at a fixed remuneration. Are you giving that 8 hours? And if you are not giving your 8 hours, who are you? Think about it. You are cheating. You are taking money and you are not giving something what is required to be given. It is not going to help. It's a law of karma. So this will come back to you many times. So if you have planted a seed of an apple, you get apple, and you get multiple times. If you have planted a seed of cheating, what you will get? You will get cheating, and you will get multiple times. And then we think कार चोरी हो गई है, घर में आग लग गई है, ये नुकसान हो गया है, मेरी ज्वेलरी खराब हो गई है, and then we think मेरे साथ ये सब क्यों होता है? But we do not know what we have earned during those times. So it is very important to follow these virtues. I have been following these virtues very strongly, doing very hard work. I think in lockdown period, we worked with government of Rajasthan to create a e-pass system. So जितने e-pass बने पूरे राजस्थान में, almost जो migrants के pass बने, more than 25 lakh passes have been issued. We built the entire software. I myself, along with my team, worked almost 20 hours a day for 1.5 months continuously. And I am not exaggerating here. We used to go early in the morning, and we are coming in the midnight every day. Breakfast, lunch, dinner in office for entire team every day. And it is not about money. It is not about this. The passion which takes me office every day and is making positive difference in people's life. That's the passion I have all the time.
So is that somewhere the purpose of your life, that you want to make a positive contribution to people's lives, और उसके लिए ही आप निरंतर लगे हुए हैं, करते जा रहे हैं कुछ ना कुछ नया?
Absolutely. So you can see if I can do something to make a people's life different positively, then I would definitely try to do it. I will try to do it. How much success I will get into that is a separate issue, but I will do my best to video meet, as we were talking about before, is out of
video meet software. Yes.
Innovation challenge में हमने participate किया. So you see, I would have loved to see 2 lakh applications. Only 2,000 applications come from India. It's a large country. So many companies are there. 2,000 companies participated in Innovation Challenge, and 10 companies got selected. We were one of them to create a video meet. You should try it out. Next interview, you should do a video meet where you can actually do a better quality video conferencing and interview with that. And you may not get every feature, but you will have sufficient features to do your conferencing. People are using it for teaching and everything. We responded. The idea is the response to the innovation call by the Prime Minister. If our country demands something, can you respond positively? I don't know will I be winner or not, but I am able to try to create a difference in people's life. And I am happy to share with you, there are many teachers across the country. I surely know Bengali, Tamil and Telugu classes are happening on that our platform every day. 40-50 students are getting taught in 1 and 2 hours of classes. Every day it is happening. So this gives me a pleasure that I am able to make few hundred students' life different and a positive different in this difficult time. That's what is the importance. I'm not charging anything. I'm not getting any money right now. We may eventually start charging, but right now we are able to make a positive difference.
Wow.
And you respond to the call. I think this is what keeps me going. When there's a call, you respond and you try to make a positive difference.
Wow. And also I want to know about XGen Plus. What is XGen Plus all about?
You know a lot, Asta. XGen Plus is is my, I would say, I tell to my wife, it is my first love.
Okay.
I created this baby even my marriage. This is a product I gave birth to, single parent, and now I have the entire team towards it to groom it, nurture it well. It has grown a big baby, and this is the email software, email server, the first of the country, and still the first of the country. We are the only company in the country who has this enterprise email platform. And so we compete with the likes Microsoft of the world, who have Exchange as a platform. We have XGen as a platform, next generation software we call it. And you can provide corporate email services in that. So we will not get into features, but the unique point which makes us a globally innovator in that is XGen can allow you to have email ID in the language of your choice. So for example, Astha@tatia.bharat could be email ID.
Mm. Okay.
That is very important. So the moment it is in Hindi, then you can have the email ID in Hindi, Telugu, Tamil, Gujarati, in all Indian languages, and even in all the foreign languages. So you can have these email IDs in the language of your choice.
Wow. That's very unique.
This
And
makes us unique. So even we supported Microsoft in that. Even the Google got started with the support of these languages. Right now, we are working with the companies like Apple to support them into building their applications to support that kind of infrastructure. So the idea is that to break the language barrier and bring billions of people online.
mm,
Again,
wow.
making a positive difference in people's life. So
Yeah.
you are making, I am trying to make a difference in people's life who do not know English at all. So
Mm,
just imagine if you have a person who do not know English, how does he gets his airline ticket?
mm,
तो वो आत्मनिर्भर कैसे हुआ? वो तो डिपेंडेंट हो गया ना किसी पर.
mm,
तो हम तो हमारे प्राइम मिनिस्टर तो आत्मनिर्भर भारत की बात कर रहे हैं. हमारे यहाँ 60% लोग ऐसे हैं जो किसी पे डिपेंडेंट हैं आज भी, बिकॉज ऑफ द लैंग्वेज इश्यू. आप उस लैंग्वेज को ब्रेक ही नहीं कर पा रहे हैं. आप हमारे यहाँ जो एग्जाम्स होते हैं वो इंग्लिश में होते हैं. जितने भी हमारे बड़े डिग्री एग्जाम्स होते हैं,
mm,
आप डॉक्टर नहीं बन सकता है हिंदी में. कोई बन सकता है डॉक्टर? कोई इंजीनियरिंग कर सकता है? नहीं कर
mm.
सकता है. तो जिस आदमी को इंग्लिश नहीं आती है, तो जो डॉक्टर बनना है तो मुझे इंग्लिश आनी चाहिए. थिंक अबाउट इट. And if a doctor could become in Hindi, do you think we could have got better doctors out of villages? Think about it. The barrier
Yeah.
of language is not letting you get doctors, not letting you get more engineers. So we need to think about it and break the language barriers and bring in more intelligent people online. Not just let them be farmers and the farmer children and let them be there where they do not have facilities to fight the examinations.
Mm.
It is very important to move in that direction. Not everybody wants to serve the whole world, right?
Yeah.
I'm very happy to serve, let us say, a doctor, serve the Kharthal constituency only. That's it.
Mm.
I need to think always that I need to be a global citizen. Not everybody. Right now, they cannot even become the doctor. So
Yeah.
language barrier breaking is very big step, and I'm trying to do my bit in this.
Great. Lovely. So I see that you have, I think, followed your heart. You have been doing a lot of innovations. You have been working in the direction that, where you can impact people's lives. And you have been, you have had your family's support, which you give a lot of importance to. So everything is there. And what is that one thing that you desire? Today, if you were to, if I were to ask you, वो एक चीज क्या होगी जो आप बोलते हैं आज ये चाहता हूँ मैं. It could be some materialistic thing. It could be some personality trait कि अपने अंदर ये एक चीज मैं चाहता हूँ, या I don't know what, but what is it?
I want more time with my family.
Okay.
I genuinely think I have less time to my family than what probably I would like to give and I would like to spend. With my friends too, same thing. I would like to spend more time with them. But when I see my family at one side, my friends at one side, and the work which is making impact in millions of people's life, then it becomes very difficult for me to choose, not to choose that side. And where it is becoming making a millions of people life difference, and which is likely to make a difference much more constructively than this. And also at the same time, I know I can manage them. They are with me. I can, instead of 2 hours, 1 hour would be okay. Or maybe the movie can be skipped today, or the dinner can be skipped today. We can do it tomorrow. So this kind of thought process, I'm sure, is not very, very good for a long run. I need to strike more balance, if I must say that. I think this is what I know and I miss. But sometimes the magnet on other side is much more stronger to pull me on that side, and to, because the large number and the large impact which when I see is available to make an impact, I try to do it now, not tomorrow.
Got it. Thank you for saying that and sharing that. I'm sure I see a lot of leaders, a lot of people who are out there struggling with this when it comes to striking that work-life balance. So yes, true. I agree. And I think a lot of pointers that I have got, I'm sure the listeners, the viewers also are seeing. तो जो मैं देख पा रही हूँ, आपने कहा, just to summarize very quickly, and then you can add on if you want. One beautiful thing that I love was taking life as it comes has been your motto, and that's how you've lived your life. You've been a lifelong learner. I think that's phenomenal. That's amazing, amazing. I think if we could just take that one part, being in the learning mode all our lives, phenomenal. You've focused on goal. I think the other thing that you said was focusing on goal and enjoying the journey.
Yeah.
Is a brilliant thing. Yes. You spoke about how your upbringing, the values led you into being fine with everything, not having the hitch to do whatever you want to do, whatever is needed to be done. Even as the CEO of the organization, you may have to do the work of a peon, and you never hesitated, which is amazing. You spoke about support system, and I think somewhere we all kind of take those people in our lives for granted. ये तो है मेरे पास, ठीक है, हो जाएगा. But they are the support pillars, the strongest pillars. So I think support system is very, very important. And like you rightly said, उस ऊंचाई पर पहुंच गए और वो लोग अगर साथ नहीं है, तो I think वो खुशी भी बेमानी रह जाएगी. True. Yes. And I think yes, more time for yourself, more time for the support system, for the people around you is what you said. So I think some brilliant, brilliant things we could extract from your journey, your experience, and your evolution into who you are today. So thank you so much for sharing all of this. Thank you so much for giving this time. These were really good and very, very powerful learnings for not just me, I'm sure for all those who are watching this interaction.
Thank you, Astha, for making me think about my past and revisiting those memories, lovely memories I have. So thank you very much for bringing those memories alive in my mind. Thank you very much.
My pleasure. My pleasure. Thank you so much. And it was a lovely interaction.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you, Astha.
Yeah.